Crafting the Perfect Expository Essay Outline. Hello learners! Today, we'll dive deep into one of the most crucial aspects of writing an expository essay, creating an outline. If you've ever felt lost while writing, or feel like your ideas jumble up, an outline is your guiding star. Let's get started. An expository essay outline is a structured plan that lays out the main points and supporting details of your essay. Think of it as a blueprint for your writing. It helps in 1. Organizing your thoughts. 2. Ensuring you don't miss any vital information. 3. Offering a clear structure to follow. Efficiency. It streamlines the writing process, reducing the time you spend reorganizing information later. Clarity. It ensures that your essay has a logical flow. Cohesiveness. Ensures every paragraph transitions smoothly to the next, making your essay easy to follow and understand. Step 1. Identify the thesis statement. This is the main idea or argument of your essay. Everything else you write will support this statement. Example: exercising thrice a week is beneficial for mental health. Step 2. List down main points. Identify 2 to 3 main points that support your thesis. These will form the body of your essay. Example: 1. Exercise releases endorphins. 2. Regular exercise reduces stress. 3. Physical activity boosts self-esteem. Step 3. Elaborate with supporting details. Under each main point, list down specific details or examples that further explain it. Example for point 1. Endorphins are chemicals that act as natural painkillers and mood elevators. Studies show people who exercise regularly have higher endorphin levels. Step 4. Plan the introduction and conclusion. The introduction should briefly introduce your topic and thesis statement. The conclusion should summarize your main points and restate the thesis in light of the evidence you've presented. 1. Stay flexible. Your first draft of an outline is a starting point. Don't be afraid to make changes as you write. 2. Use bullet points. This helps in breaking down information and makes your outline easy to read. 3. Keep it brief. Outlines are meant to be short and precise. They're a guide, not the full essay. Crafting an outline can make the difference between an average essay and an outstanding one. Remember, a little planning goes a long way. We hope this video has illuminated the process of creating an expository essay outline. Keep practicing, and happy writing!